Hi guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Flixster review. Now for those of you out there who are getting into your social media, especially maybe Instagram, and you want to create really dynamic, beautiful looking videos with text and shapes and everything like that, things to inspire, make people feel good, make people engage with your content, Flixster is definitely something you're going to want to take a look at. So today we're going to take an over-the-shoulder look at Flixster so you can see exactly what it's all about, and as well as that I've gotten you some really great bonuses that are going to teach you properly how to use it and properly utilize Flixster on your social media. But before we get into that, hit the like button, and if you want to be updated on new platforms coming out that are going to help you make money online, also hit subscribe and turn on that little bell notification as well. Also, really quickly, if you want to skip ahead at any point during this video, make sure you click the link in the description first. And the reason for that is that will take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And by clicking on any of these green buttons, it will lock in all of these bonuses before then sending you off to the Flixster vendor sales page, which my bonus page is integrated with. If you do decide to purchase, you'll not only get Flixster, but you'll get all of these bonuses that I've put together for you sent to you in one big bundle that you can access immediately. Really quickly, the first bonus in that package will be Internet Marketing for Beginners. Now this is a massive product and it goes into everything you need when it comes to online business, creating a brand, starting out, building a website. It goes into even as far as running proper Google and Facebook ads, SEO, lead generation, basically everything you need to know if you're a beginner getting into the online making money world. The second bonus I've gotten for you is a new product called How to Become an Influencer, and this has taken basically all of the tips and techniques and strategies of influencers and put them into these products so you can utilize the same strategies as well. I think this is a great bonus to throw in there because Flixster is about making videos. So if you know how influencers use videos, then you can use the videos that you create in the same way. So really invaluable training here on that. The third bonus I've gotten for you, a similar product, but it goes deeper into YouTube videos. So if you're wanting to create video for YouTube as well and drive traffic from YouTube as, you know, a big source of driving traffic, it's a good idea. This goes into the ins and outs, setting up a YouTube account. More importantly though, how to utilize descriptions, titles, and tags in order to boost you up the rankings. It tells you, everything you need to know in order to help you boost, help you get subscribers. A great, great tool. The fourth bonus I've gotten for you, very similar, but it's applied to Instagram. So it's called Instagram Marketing Secrets. It's going to teach you, again, what influencers do, but more specifically on Instagram. So you can use Flixster to create videos for Instagram and then understand the ins and outs of how to drive traffic, engagement, and how to get that following as well, similarly to a lot of the stuff you'll get in the influencer product as well. The last bonus I've gotten for you, something a little bit different, and this is how to make money on Fiverr. You're getting commercial rights with Flixster, which enables you to create things in Flixster and then sell them on to other people. That video marketing and creating video, in any kind of context is, it's something that's really sought after on these freelance platforms. Now I know this is only to do with Fiverr, and it's going to help you to utilize Fiverr in a way where you can make money from videos you make in Flixster. But if you're using something like Elance or Legit or any other one of those freelance platforms, there's definitely some crossover, okay? Because really the same kind of concepts apply no matter which one you use. So whatever you learn in this product about Fiverr, you can apply to other freelance platforms. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step one. Remember, click the link in the description. You'll go through to my bonus page. Click on these green buttons, that locks in your bonuses, and it will send you off to the Flixster official sales page, which looks like this. Now I would recommend going through this in your own time, just so we're not here all day, checking out the demos, some testimonials and things like that so you know what to expect. And if you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt which looks like this. And as I said, under the green button will be Flixster, under the blue button will be all those bonuses I just talked about. My email's there. If you run into any problems, feel free. So yeah. Now, this is a launch week special, so any discount pricing that gets activated or any bonuses that I've just talked about, they are reliant on this countdown timer. So when you come through to my bonus page, keep your eye on the countdown timer because when it runs down, these bonuses will no longer be available. Most likely, you can always email me to double check. I will reply very quickly. But yeah, basically the sooner you get in, the more you get for the less price. So without further ado, let's jump in and check out Flixster.
I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to create stunning professional quality videos with Flixster. You can start with a blank canvas, a YouTube video, or a done for you template just like this one, and you get 30 video templates produced by an agency, so they're super professional to get you started really fast. Now for any slide in your video project, you can go ahead and change the background just by clicking on the backgrounds button. You could choose any of the included backgrounds, or you could upload your own, and you can apply them to your slide or all the slides in literally just one click. Now you can also add text, and you can add as many text boxes to these as you want. You click on text, you can add all the text that you want. You can change the font, you can change the color, the size, you can add a drop shadow or a highlight, and you can add kinetic text effects also. Then you can position that text anywhere you want with simple drag and drop ease. Then if you wanted to add images, you can add images to your project as well by clicking on images, and then you can add images from the included library in a variety of different categories, or you can upload your own. Just click on the image, shows you a preview, and you can choose an animation right here. Click OK to add it to the slide, add it to the project. Then you can drag and drop it where you want. You can resize it if you want. It's just that fast to add images to your project as well. Then if you want to add sounds, you can click on the sounds menu, and you can go ahead and add a background music track from any of the included library, or you can upload your own. You can also add a voiceover track. So if you have a pre-recorded voiceover track, you can do that, or you can even record your own voice right into your video. And if you want to add videos as backgrounds for your slides, you can do that as well. You can choose from the included video library. There are a variety of different categories here. You can choose any of the included videos, or you can upload your own, or you can even add one from YouTube right inside the software. When your project is ready, all you're going to do is go up here and click produce, and then you can choose where you want to output your file, and you can choose the quality of that file. And then you just click on start to create your video right now in real time, right on your computer. You can see how fast and easy it is to make jaw-dropping videos with Flixster. And I just showed you a small sample of what this superpower software can do. Flixster is the ultimate video maker for your business, your social profiles, your video ads, and your life.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. Now, really quickly, again, if you go through the link in the description, you can find out a little bit more about the pricing and what to expect during the buying process of Flixster. So the first one, Gold Commercial, which is basically what you saw in the video, $27. And I will say that you only need this to get access to all the bonuses, okay? So it's everything that you see there. Create unlimited live action videos that sell your products, services, and remember, you get the commercial rights. There's an upgrade here that you can check out, which gives you a little bit more, and that's the business commercial license for $49, so 20 extra. And you can get the agency commercial. If you're an agency, this might be something that you need. And then we have another one, which is a platinum commercial, which is really an upgrade. And you get a bunch of extras there. I would come through here and check out really what applies to you the most. And then the premium commercial, which is 9 local niche done for you video templates created, designed and produced by a video agency. So this is basically them doing a lot of the work for you and giving you some pre-made things. So if you don't want to waste time creating them in Flixster, you know, if you want to, you can get people to do it for you. So a lot on offer here when you take into consideration all the bonuses that you're getting, and you do only need, you know, the $27 option for that. Full money back guarantee as well. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comments, hit me up an email on my social media. I do reply to everybody. And if not, enjoy Flixster, and I hope you love all those bonuses, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.